Hi guys, it's Farzin from English World 2004. Most people think the present simple is just for routines like I eat breakfast. But guess what? There are some advanced and surprising uses you probably never learned. This is part 2 on present simple. I've already explained 5 most common uses of it, and in this video we're gonna go deeper into the present simple, starting with use number 6. Commentaries and sports reports. In live sports or action commentary, we use present simple to describe the action as it happens, even though it's happening right now. Pay attention to this example. Ronaldo passes the ball. He shoots and he scores. The action is happening right now, so normally for these situations, we use present continuous. But in this case, because we are reporting the event as it happens, we have to use present simple. This makes everything feel fast, exciting, and energetic. Use 7. Storytelling and jokes. Dramatic present. If you want to make a story more dramatic, use the present simple. For example, so this guy walks into a bar and says, "Give me your finest burger." Even though the action happened in the past, we use the present simple to make the listener feel like they're right there. So using the present simple pulls the listener into the moment, makes the story feel real and immediate, adds humor and drama. This is super common in stand-up comedy, casual storytelling, and vlogs. Use 8. Headlines and news titles. News headlines often use the present simple, even when talking about the past, to make the story sound fresh and immediate. For example, government raises taxes, storm destroys village. NASA finds water on Mars. Think of it as the breaking news style. Imagine there was a flood yesterday, and this is how the news is broadcast. President visits flood-hit areas. Use 9. Zero and first conditionals. In zero conditional, use present simple in both clauses to talk about general truths. For instance, if you heat water, it boils. In first conditional, use present simple after if and the future tense in the result. Example, if she studies, she will pass. Use the present simple in the condition and the future in the result. Use 10 after time expressions for future events. Even if you're talking about the future, you still use present simple after time words like when, before, after, until, as soon as, etc. Examples: I'll call you when I get home. Wait until the light turns green. Don't say, when I will get home. That's wrong. Use 11. Proverbs and sayings. A lot of English proverbs and sayings use present simple because they describe general truths or life lessons. Examples: practice makes perfect. Honesty is the best policy. Time flies. They're like grammar-packed nuggets of wisdom. If you're interested in proverbs, I have made a video about 20 most common proverbs in English. Use 12. Stage directions and scripts. In screenplays, stage directions and scripts, we use present simple to describe actions. Example: he walks into the room and sits down. Here, we're not talking about the dialogues or conversations that happen between actors, for example. We're talking about the events or what each actor does. Another example: he wants to tell her something, but he hears his heart pound so fast he can't speak a word. Use 13. Historical present. Historians and storytellers sometimes use present simple to make past events feel alive. Examples: in 1969, man lands on the moon. Caesar crosses the Rubicon. This makes history more engaging and dramatic. Use 14. Newspaper and book summaries. When reviewing a book, movie, or article, we often use the present simple to describe what happens in it, even if the story is fictional or in the past. For example, in the book, the main character travels to Spain to find her father. The movie follows a group of survivors after an alien invasion. But why is that? Because the story still exists on the page, movie, etc. Use 15 with exclamations or emphasis. Sometimes present simple is used in expressive or emotional exclamations about present situations, often sarcastically or dramatically. Examples: here comes trouble. There goes my weekend. So help me God. Look who decides to show up. These are idiomatic and often used in spoken English with dramatic tone. So now you know more powerful uses of the present simple, way beyond just I eat pizza. And guys, this is the end of this session. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video so you don't miss other informative lessons. Love you guys. See you next time.